Hello students, this is Ashna Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine, beta. In today's class, we are going to discuss question answer from the chapter number 10 in our history classes. Okay, and beta, we all done the chapter in our classrooms. Now in video, we are going to discuss question answer. So chapter number 10. Okay, chapter number 10. And the chapter number 10 is New Empires and Kingdoms. New empires and kingdom. Clear? So, our first question in our exercise is state whether true or false. Here are some true or false questions. Our first true or false question is Harshena composed a prashasti in praise of Gautami Putra Sri Satakarni. Now tell me beta, is it right or wrong? Tell me, is it true or false? Yes, it is false. So our first true or false answer is false. Clear? And now our second true or false question is the ruler of Aryabhat brought tribute for Samudragupta. Now beta, this sentence is true. Okay, this sentence is true. Clear? And now our third true or false is there were 12 rulers in Dakshinapad. Okay, there were 12 rulers in Dakshinapad. This sentence is true because we discuss these points in our classes. I hope you all know about these points. And beta, now our fourth true or false is Takshila and Madurai were important centers under the control of the Gupta rulers. Is it right or wrong? The fourth true or false is false. Okay? And the fifth true or false is Aihole was the capital of the Pallavas. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because Aihole is the capital of not Pallavas. It is the capital of Chalukyas. Okay. So this sentence is also false sentence. And now the sixth sentence is local assemblies function for several centuries in South India. This sentence is true or false? Now tell me. Okay beta, and the sixth number sentence is true. Okay, this sentence is true. Clear? I hope now you can clear. You can take a screenshot of all these true and false. It will help you. Okay. Now beta, after these true or false, we are going to discuss some question answer from this chapter. Yes. And here is our second question answer. And our second question in chapter number 10 is mention three authors who wrote about हर्षवर्धना. ओके, यहाँ पर हमें थ्री ऑथर्स का नाम को मेंशन करना है. हु रोट अबाउट द किंग हर्षवर्धना, जिन्होंने किंग हर्षवर्धन के बारे में लिखा है. ओके, yes, and the answer is the following. The following three author wrote about Harshvardhana. Okay, the first name is Banabhatta. Banabhatta. Okay, and the second name is Zhuan Zan, and the other name of this pilgrim is Wen Sang. Okay, Wen Sang. And we discussed in our classrooms about this name. Wen Sang is a pilgrim, is a Chinese pilgrim. Okay, we learned about him in our classes. And the third name is Ravi Kirti. Okay, the third author name is Ravi Kirti. Clear beta? Now you can take a screenshot of question number 2. Okay. Now after solving question number 2, we are going to solve the question number 3. Okay. The question number 3, and the question number 3 is, what change do you find in the army at this time? Okay, the question number 3 is, what changes do you find in the army at this time? Okay, means at ancient time, what changes do you find in the army? Now we are going to write our answer. Here is the answer. We find following changes in the army at that time. Okay, now here is some changes. The change number 1 is elephants, chariots, cavalry were used along with foot soldiers in the royal ground. Okay, so the first change is elephant, chariots, cavalry were used along with foot soldiers. जो पैदल soldiers होते थे उनके साथ साथ उनकी सेनाओं में एलिफेंट, हाथियों को, रथों को, इन सभी चीजों को ऐड कर दिया गया था एट दैट टाइम. ओके, सो दिस इज द वन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. एंड बेटा, and now we are going to discuss about the second change. And the second change is at that time a permanent army was kept by the king or the ruler. This was well organized. Okay, this was well organized. Okay, before this period there are no any kind of permanent army. Okay, now at that time a permanent army was kept by the king. अब क्या होने लगा, एक परमानेंट आर्मी जो कि किंग अपने पास रखने लगा. ओके, फॉर द हेल्प ऑफ किंग. Now the third change is soldiers used different kind of weapons, different kind of weapon such as battle axes, arrows, spikes. Okay, barbed and etc. Okay, now these are the main changes at that time army. Okay, these three is most important changes. Beta, you can write, you can take a screenshot now. Okay, and now I hope you all done. Now we are moving to the next question, the question number 4. Okay, the question number 4. And beta, the question number 4 is, what were the new administrative arrangements during this period? Listen carefully beta. The fourth question is, what were the new administrative arrangements during this period? Now we are going to write the answer. Answer number 4 is kings adopted a number of steps to win the support of men who were powerful either economically or socially or because of political and military strength. Military strength. Okay. Our answer of question number 4 is, kings adopted a number of steps, okay, to win the support of men who were powerful. किंग्स ने क्या किया, अडॉप्ट किया बहुत सारे स्टेप्स को टू विन to the support of who were powerful either economically, जो भी पर्सन पावरफुल हो या तो वो इकोनॉमिकली पावरफुल हो अदरवाइज सोशली पावरफुल हो बिकॉज ऑफ पॉलिटिकल एंड मिलिट्री स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, सो पॉलिटिकल एंड मिलिट्री स्ट्रेंथ के लिए किंग्स ने ये सारे स्टेप्स लिए. ओके, एंड नाउ the next important point in this answer is some important administrative posts were now hereditary. Okay, some important administrative posts were now hereditary means अब इस टाइम कुछ जो कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पोस्ट होती थी वो वंशानुगत मीन्स फादर से अपने सन को, ओके, एंड इस टाइप से दी जाने लगी थी. ओके, नाउ बेटा आवर थर्ड पॉइंट इज Our third point is sometimes one person held and any many offices. Okay, the third point, important point, is sometimes one person hold many offices. Okay, ये एक और मेजर चेंज था दैट कुछ पर्सन जो होते थे वो क्या होते थे, वो होल्ड करते थे नॉट ओनली वन ऑफिस, दे होल्ड मेनी ऑफिसेस. ओके, now I hope you all clear about the answer number 4 beta. Now you can take screenshot. Okay, you can take screenshot now. Okay beta, now today our class is over. We will continue the next chapter in our next classes. Okay, so thank you class.